That was a good burp. That was a good one. Good job. Hello. You looking at your dad? Huh? Say hi, Dad. Say I'm Big Daddy. Yes.
Where you work at? I don't right now because both my daughters had kids last year. So I decided I want to be grandma for a while.
Oh, okay. So what area did you work in?
I worked at, I did home care
Okay.
and.
Is that good?
Charlotte
Huh? You want some
County,
more?
And then I worked at Durant.
Yeah, you want some more?